this is somewhat new for me. Apart from a couple of guest appearances, which, whilst well worth watching, the term guest appearance sounds a little grander than what it actually is. I'm a lighting cameraman, I'm a director, I'm an editor. I should be that side of the camera, not here. But, as with a lot of things at the minute, times are changing. Time to try new things, adapt, experiment. That's kind of what this is. And what this is a review. This product, which was brought to my attention by Andy Nichols from APN TV. I think he saw somebody mention it possibly on the Facebook group for the Panasonic AG-CX350. Something that has been a long time. That's a disappointingly small box inside there. A lot of people have been trying to find a solution with varying success and varying levels of expense, although similar numbers. This impeccably packaged device is a LANC controller, zoom demand. That should work with the 350. I purchased this off the almighty Amazon for just under £26. Yes. So I'll have to see what it's like. I'm running the 350 with the latest firmware, which apparently has better control for remotes. But how good this is anybody's guess, but we shall find out. Initially, I mean, it's very plasticky, but the actual rocker doesn't feel too bad. Let's have a look. So I've got it clamped on. This is on my Manfrotto 504 head. Standard arm clamps on. It's nice and secure. Goes in the right place. I could probably go a bit further up with it. But, you know, the clamp is fine. I've not attached it yet. One thing to note is that it doesn't come with any instructions. So there's two ports and a switch. I'll find out what they'll do in a minute. So at the minute it's not plugged in. And what I'm going to do is just do a couple of runs in and out, or out and in this case, on the 350 off of the zoom rocker on the top, just as comparison, I guess. So I'm just creeping out. It's on the iZoom at the minute. If you were wondering, because I haven't got this in the edit yet and haven't done any audio work, the horrible noise is my MacBook Pro that is currently rendering. So I'll just try and speed up a little bit and show you my wonderful living room. Any jerky movement on the zoom there is purely me. And there we go. And then crashing back in all the way there. Okay, so next up, I've already got the LANC plugged into the camera end. I'm going to try the front one. Nothing there, nothing there. Still in the front one, change the switch. Oh, there we go. Slowly creeping out. Ramping speed. That's not bad. Let's try and get it a little bit quicker. Oh, a little bit jerky. Again, that could be me. A little bit jerky there. But that's not bad. And done. Crash back in. A little bump at the end is probably just the eye zoom. That's not bad. Let's pull it out again. Yeah, see, it's not. Let's get it off eye zoom. There we go. So if I just, yeah, there's a little bit of jerk there. Which could be a cheap servo, or you know, the pot that's in there. But that's not bad. Let's unplug. And ooh, it's a bit faint, but the button lights up. Nice touch. If I plug it in the side, no, it won't go in the side. Okay, so it's just there. So the switch on the side here must be for the Sony / Panasonic. It would be nice if it had other functions, but let's just push that back in again. You know what, that's all right. And the stop start works, although it doesn't go off. So that's actually reasonably impressive. Considering it was $25.99, I mean, what brand it is, EL, it was surprisingly good. I was expecting to have a lot more travel in the rocker before anything happened, and a lot less responsiveness. I'm actually impressed. But that, I mean, what more can you ask for 26 quid? I suppose the real test will be, how long will it last? How long before that rocker wears out? How long before it just starts to fall apart? What happens if it gets like a tiny drop of water on it? Things like that. But ultimately, for 26 quid, if you desperately need one, and especially if it's just for, you know, reframing, you know, why not? As I say, I'm impressed. So, I hope you enjoyed that. First one I've done. Sounds a bit ropey. I'm hoping it's in focus, because everybody's gone to bed, and I'm taking the opportunity to do it while I can, whilst still waiting for rendering to happen. Like, subscribe, share, comments, feedback, questions. Make sure you check in with APN TV. We've got a fair bit of stuff that we're doing together, project-wise. There could be some interesting things coming out of that. Hopefully we're doing another 350 update video, and hopefully I will do some more stuff. Now that I've done the first one, maybe that's the band-aid done. Thank you very much. Stay well. See you soon.